Hi guys, now we're doing the lab 3.6 testing mode install processor. Let's get started. Right. So this motherboard using LGA 1150. So we're gonna get LGA 1150 processor from inventory. This is AMD. It's not right. AMD. This one is 1151. 1151. AMD should be this one. So this one is LGA 1150. Just drag it down for easier. Good. All right. Which of the family using 1150 socket should be Haswell and Portwell? Alright, so which one's using 1151? Okay. We got the Skylake here. Okay. Install the CPU. Okay, first we lift the motherboard socket. The socket is right here. You click it. The second one is the load plate. Open it up. We drag the chip in. We close it down. Close, start down, and submit. Okay. Next one, we do the fan. Just put the fan on top. Make sure you touch the pin right here. So just click to the pin so they will be locked. And then you put the power supply, fan power supply into the motherboard. Okay, what does the thermal paste do? So the primary purpose is going to be transfer heat, and the second thing is going to be eliminate air pocket, and it does not provide insulation as well as ESD protection. Right. Now we jump to the computer and press the power button to see. Yay! Oh, and it shut down. Okay, what next? Something wrong. You saw the fan spin up and system light up, and then you see it shut down. What's going on? Let's see. Because the motherboard, I mean the computer is on, so the wire is not correct. It's not connect correctly. It's not true, because if it is not connect correctly, it should be on. This one is not true. The CPU is solidly seated in the socket. It's not true also, because yeah, same thing. If that is on, so something maybe not correctly besides the CPU or the power, because you see the power, so it should be the fan, because when you turn it on and you not connect the fan correctly, it's going to be overheated, the CPU, and it make the computer shut down. Yep. Okay, we got AM3 Plus motherboard. So we want to get the AMD chip. which has AM3 socket. We got AM3. So we got right here the AMD FX 4300 is AM3 plus, and this one is also AM3 plus. But you want to get the faster processor, so this one is 4.0 gigahertz, and this one is 3.8. So you want to get the bigger one, definitely. Width of this processor family use socket AM3 plus. That is the FX. Alright. Install CPU on the motherboard by completing the following step. Okay, first of all, we lift this thingy socket level, take it off, put the motherboard the CPU in, close it down, submit. Easy peasy. Alright, we put the fan on the CPU. So we want to turn it, rotate it, get the fan in. We want to adjust the latch. We click on it. All the latch is done. Right now we connect the power to the motherboard, and we're done. Yep. Now we jump to the computer and turn it on. Turn on button. Turn it on. Nothing happened. Just submit. Oh, correct. Yay! The computer is not on. What's going on? Let's see. The power supply is not plugged into the wallet. No, we can see the wallet is there. The CPU is overheating. If the CPU is overheating, you'll be able to see the picture and then shut down. But in this case, you completely don't see the power, so it's not correct. The CPU cable is not connected to the motherboard. Maybe. True. Or maybe another potential would be the wall outlet is turned off at the breaker, or the CPU is not connected to the the front panel. I think in this one. Let's try again. So the primary thing is the wall outlet is not on, and the CPU not connected. Oops. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, yeah, true. The wall outlet is turned off is definitely the right one, and this one I just messed it up. Yes, the front panel are not correct. Are not connect correctly to the motherboard, so that when we press the button, it didn't go anywhere, and it just not let the power on. My mistake. Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay. The computer is set up. Also verify the processor temperature, which should be below 70 Celsius. First thing we click over here, right here, just somewhere around here, you can click random, click, and we had like a ring button marked down here. Secondly, you click to the CPU temperature, and they have the second mark in here, and we submit, and it's correct. What other components might you expect to see listed in UEFI setup? True all that apply. So we might expect DMMS, we expected optical, we expected graphic card, and we expected having hard drive on this setup. Submit. Right. Okay, it's done for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.